Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 19th May. Welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall focus on some of the important events happened on 19th May in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. If you are working on something you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. Question number 1. Which industrialist died on this day in 1904 is regarded as father of Indian industry who had built Taj Mahal Palace Hotel? Answer. Jamsetji Nusserwanji Tata. He was founder of Tata Group of Companies. Question number 2. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1913 became 6th President of India and was also the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Answer. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Question number 3. Which Indian playwright died on this day in 2008 is best known for his play Ghasiram Kotwal? Answer. Vijay Tendulkar. Question number 4. Which Indian author of British descent born on this day in 1934 whose notable works are Our Trees Still Grow in Dera, A Flight of Pigeons, The Blue Umbrella? Answer. Ruskin Bond. Bollywood films Saath Khoon Maaf and Junoon also based on his novel. Saath Khoon Maaf is based on his novel Sushant's Seven Husbands and film Junoon is based on his novel A Flight of Pigeons. Question number 5. Who is Indian actor, director and playwright in Kannada born on this day in 1938, had played in South Indian films and Bollywood and was presenter of science program Turning Point aired on Doordarshan in 1991? Answer. Girish Kannad. Question number 6. Which Hindi novelist died on this day in 1979 whose notable works are Kabir, Banabhatta Ki Atmakatha, Charu Chandra Lekha, Alak Parva, etc.? Answer. Hajari Prasad Dwivedi. Question number 7. Which leader of Fiji Labour Party became Prime Minister of Fiji on this day in 1999? Answer. Mahendra Pal Chowdhury. Question number 8. Which year on this day the city of Manila was founded by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi? Answer. 1571. Question number 9. Which revolutionary statesman and field marshal born on this day in 1881 was the founder of Republic of Turkey, serving its first president from 1923 to 1938? Answer. Kamal Ataturk. Question number 10. Which year on this day Benito Mussolini declared Italy a fascist country? Answer. 1926. Benito Mussolini was Prime Minister of Italy from 1922 to 1943. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.